Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Mukunda. Today we are going to learn Chit-Chat of the lesson 1.4 Miss Slippery. Question number 1. Do you argue with your friends? Why? तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्रांशी वाद घालता का? का? Answer. Sometimes I argue with my friends when I do not like their opinion or point of view on some things. Question number 2. Do you stop your arguments after some time or continue it for a long time? थोड्या वेळाने तुम्ही वाद घालायचे थांबवता का बराच वेळेपर्यंत वाद घालत राहतात? आन्सर. I never continue it for a long time. I stop my argument after some time. Question number 3. Why do people quarrel or fight? लोक का भांडतात? आन्सर. People quarrel or fight for many reasons. When they do not like each other's opinion or point of view, by misunderstanding each other, just for fun, one teases another and then it turns into a fight or quarrel. Question number 4. Do we forgive or punish our dear ones after their mistakes? आपल्या माणसांकडून चूक झाल्यावर आपण त्यांना माफ करतो की शिक्षा देतो? आन्सर. We should forgive our dear ones after their mistakes, but we should take a promise from them not to commit such mistakes again. Question number 5. What do you feel after a quarrel with dear ones? आपल्या माणसांशी वाद झाल्यावर तुम्हाला कसे वाटते? आन्सर. I feel very sad and ashamed after a quarrel with dear ones as I could not control my anger. Question number 1. Think over the following and tick mark the proper option as per your choice. A. Do your classmates tease, trouble and avoid you? No. B. Do you with your friends also tease, trouble or give names to any of your classmates? No. C. How do you handle the teasing? Complain to teacher. D. How do you handle yourself when punished in class? Decide to change. E. What is the best way to react when others trouble or insult you? None of them. In this question, friends, you may write your own answers. Question number 2. Rewrite using proper punctuation marks and capital letters. Amar said, I could not complete my geography homework. 2. Why did you go to Nagpur? 3. The President of India lives at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. 4. What a loud explosion that was. 5. Physics, chemistry, zoology and botany are branches of science. Question number 3. Write in your own words what according to you is the best way to get rid of a negative quality in your friend. तुमच्या मित्राचा एखादा दुर्गुण नष्ट करण्याचा सर्वोत्तम मार्ग कोणता? आन्सर. आय विल हेल्प माय फ्रेंड बाय फॉलोइंग वेज. आय विल टेल हिम टू बी क्रिएटिव्ह. आय विल हेल्प हिम टू चेंज द टोन ऑफ हिज थॉट्स. आय विल टेल हिम टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेट व्हॉट मेक्स द थॉट निगेटिव्ह अँड ट्राय टू रिमूव्ह इट. आय विल टेल हिम द ॲडव्हान्टेजेस ऑफ पॉझिटिव्ह थिंकिंग. पाहूया मार्जिन क्वेश्चन. Margin questions. Question number 1. Why could the notebook have fallen from Sayali's hand? सायलीच्या हातातून वही का पडली असावी? Answer. When the teacher called Sayali, she obeyed her, but her angry look made her legs tremble, so the notebook may have fallen from Sayali's hand. Question number 2. What happened when it was Sayali's turn to answer? सायलीची उत्तर देण्याची वेळ आली तेव्हा काय झाले? आन्सर. सायली वॉज वेल प्रिपेअर्ड विथ द कॉजेस अँड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ द बॅटल ऑफ पानिपत. वेन द टीचर बिगॅन टेस्टिंग ऑल ऑफ देम, सायली वेंट टोटली ब्लँक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हॉट डीड सायली लॉंग फॉर फ्रॉम हर मदर? सायली आपल्या आईकडून कोणत्या गोष्टीसाठी आसुसलेली होती? आन्सर, सायली longed for a sympathetic pat from her mother and she also thought her mother would console her and ask about her pains and suffering. It would have soothed her smarting limbs. Question number 4. Why did Sayali began crying again? सायलीने पुन्हा रडण्यास का सुरुवात केली? आन्सर, when Sayali's mother walked away to the kitchen, her younger brother came there and sat beside her. He placed his little hand on her arm and asked her if she was in great pain lovingly and affectionately. She was expecting the same from her mother, but she couldn't get it, so she hugged her brother and began crying again. Question number 5. By what name did the girls tease Sayali? मुली सायलीला कोणत्या नावाने चिडवत होत्या? आन्सर, the girls teased Sayali by the new name Slippery. Question number 6. What was Sayali told to do by teacher? शिक्षिकेने सायलीला काय करायला सांगितले? आन्सर, the teacher told Sayali to see her in the teacher's room after the class. Question number 7. What two relationships did the teacher offer Sayali? शिक्षिकेने सायलीला कोणते दोन नातेसंबंध देऊ केले? आन्सर, sister and friend. These two relationships the teacher offered Sayali. Question number 8. Why did Sayali feel like rejoicing a lot? सायलीला खूप आनंदोत्सव साजरा करावासा का वाटला? आन्सर, no one had showered love on Sayali ever before her teacher, but her teacher accepted her as sister and a friend, so she felt like rejoicing a lot. Question number 9. How did Sayali react this time to the teasing? सायलीने यावेळी चिडवण्याला काय प्रतिक्रिया दिली? आन्सर, आफ्टर गिविंग कॉन्फिडन्स बाय हर टीचर, Sayali was very happy and behaving like a free bird. When her friends tried to tease her, she turned her back to them and ignored them completely. Question number 10. What responsibilities did the teacher give Sayali? शिक्षिकेने सायलीला कोणत्या जबाबदाऱ्या दिल्या? आन्सर, the teacher gave Sayali the responsibilities of bringing register, chalk and duster every morning from the teacher's room and keep it in the classroom. She also told her to keep notebooks in her locker. Question number 11. What great change had come over in Sayali's heart? सायलीच्या मनात कोणता मोठा बदल घडून आला होता? आन्सर, Sayali's trembling legs were now filled with some miraculous strength. She thrilled from top to toe. She felt very heart inflated with pride. There was no awkwardness in her behavior. She was fearless while going back home. Sayali was totally changed because of her teacher's love and affection. English workshop. Question number 1. Two different words are joined to form a new word with a new meaning. Such words are called compound words. For example, homework or kind-hearted. मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी आपल्याला कंपाऊंड वर्ड दिलेले आहेत. आपल्याला प्रश्न आहे बघा, पिक आउट सम कंपाऊंड वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द लेसन. या लेसनमधून आपल्याला कंपाऊंड वर्ड्स पिक आउट करायचे आहेत. 1. नेवर एंडिंग. 2. ऑल ड्युरिंग. 3. क्लासरूम. 4. समटाइम्स. 5. नोटबुक. 6. वेल प्रिपेर्ड. Question number 2a. Add the proper prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. खालील शब्दांना योग्य प्रिफिक्स लावून आपल्याला शब्दांचे अपोजिट वर्ड तयार करायचे आहेत. 1. obey, disobey. 2. sympathetic, unsympathetic. 3. honor, dishonor. 4. afraid, unafraid. 5. content, discontent. Question number 2b. Add suffix to convert the following words to adjective form. खालील शब्दांमध्ये आपल्याला सफिक्स लावून शब्दांना ॲडजेक्टिव्ह फॉर्ममध्ये बदलायचे आहे. लाफ लाफिंग, थॉट थॉटफुल, फॉरगेट फॉरगेटेबल, केअर केअरफुल, काउंट काउंटेबल, फिअर फिअरफुल, मुहेबल, टीयर टीयरफुल, पनिश पनिशेबल, जॉय जॉयफुल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. फाइंड वर्ड्स और एक्सप्रेशन्स फ्रॉम द स्टोरी विच आर सिमिलर इन मीनिंग टू. सिमिलर मीनिंग असणारे शब्द किंवा शब्दसमूह आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लिहायचे आहेत. 1. व्हेरी एक्सपेन्सिव्ह, एक्स्ट्राव्हेजंट. 2. लॉन्गिंग फॉर, yearning. 3. could not remember at all, went blank. 4. constant, perpetual. 5. gather all one's courage, muster courage. 6. filled and increase in size, inflate. 7. paining badly, smarting. 8. forced to pay a big amount of money, pay through one's nose. Question number 4. Answer in short in your own words. 1. The history teacher had asked them to memorize it. What? इतिहासाच्या शिक्षिकेने त्यांना तोंडपाठ करायला सांगितले होते. काय? Answer. The causes and effects of the Battle of Panipat. 2. Sayali's new frock tore how. सायलीचा नवीन फ्रॉक फाटला कसा. आन्सर. when Sayali fell and came trembling down about 7 steps from the school stairs. 3. Sayali hugged him tight who. सायलीने घट्ट मिठी मारली कोणाला. आन्सर. her younger brother. 4. Sayali was called slippery why. सायलीला स्लिपरी म्हणत असत का. आन्सर. because others sleep on wet ground but Sayali manages to sleep even on dry land. 5. Teacher told Sayali to meet her in the teacher's room when. शिक्षिकेने सायलीला टीचर्स रूममध्ये भेटायला सांगितले कधी. आन्सर. when Sayali came late and the teacher was in the classroom. 6. Teacher asked Sayali to carry the notebooks where. शिक्षिकेने सायलीला वह्या घेऊन येण्यास सांगितल्या कोठे. आन्सर. the teacher asked Sayali to carry the notebooks to the teacher's room. Question number 6. Write what expressions does a person use in the following situations. 1. when a person gets a sudden fright. Answer. makes his blood run cold, heebie-jeebies. 2. when a person is very nervous. Answer. butterflies in my stomach, bundle of nervous. 3. when a person is tense. Answer. under a lot of pressure, stressed out. 4. when a person is very happy. Answer. on cloud 9, awesome, happy as a calm. 5. when a person is very confident. Answer. will not let you down, why not me, I am damn sure. 6. when a person is very angry. Answer. not hard feelings, to beat someone's head. 7. when a person is very sad. Answer. lump in the throat, feeling blue on pins and needles. मित्रांनो, हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत व्हिडिओला शेअर करा. चला तर मग भेटूया पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.